it easier for guests to find perfect rentals with smart integrated maps in WPRentals team. From search results to property pages, maps turn browsing into bookings. WPRentals supports both Google Maps and OpenStreetMap, so you choose the platform that fits you perfect, with or without an app key. Use maps in multiple layouts. Have map pages, category views, search results are embedded in any section, synced with live listings. You can use a single custom icon or assign different icons for each property category or show property prices directly on map pins. When multiple properties are close together, clustering keeps the map clear and easy to navigate, and clicking any pin shows a quick listing preview so users get instant details without leaving the map. All of this is easy to configure from the Team Options panel, no extra plugins or code needed. Maps work seamlessly with live search filters. Visitors get instant location suggestions as they type, and they can search properties within a specific radius from any point. In Team Options, you can choose whether the radius is measured in miles or kilometers. You can set the default distance and even limit the search to a specific country, perfect for targeting local markets or regions. When it comes to location search, you have full control here as well. You can let users search using Google Places, OpenStreet Places, or the team's built-in autocomplete for saved listings depending on your preference. All three options are available, so you can choose what fits your project best. For privacy, you can hide the exact location on the map of a property and reveal it only after the booking is confirmed, keeping this sensitive info protected. When submitting a new listing, owners can search for the property address using Google Places or OpenStreet Places, and the full location details will be saved automatically. They can also place a map pin manually to fine-tune the exact location on the map. Both the written address and the map locations are saved. Build a rental site with smart customizable maps and give your users a better way to search.